Hello YouTube, this is Bob. I'm at home and today I'm going to make a fish recipe. This fish is a fabled fish from Taiwan called Ayu, A-Y-U, or sweetfish. There used to be plenty in Taiwan, but it became extinct in 1968. But in 1990, it was reintroduced from Japan and is farm raised now. And they can tell male from female very easily by the caudal fin. So these are females with eggs. And they live only 1 year, that's it. So they're small and the meat is delicate and sweet. And they have a distinct melon, like honeydew melon odor when alive. And the meat is very delicate and sweet. In Chinese, they're called 香鱼 or fragrant fish. And my mother had it when she was little in Taiwan. She's Taiwanese. And she says it's the best tasting fish she ever had. But it became extinct in 1968, so we have never tasted. And now I'm going to follow my dad's recipe for 酥鱼. Su means crispiness in Chinese, not necessarily. Su means crumbliness, crumble, something that crumbles in your mouth, not necessarily crispy. So crispiness is another character, but Su is a different character, denoting something that crumbles in your mouth as you bite down, not necessarily crispy. But there's no English equivalent word, so we have to use crispiness. Anyway, I'm going to follow my dad's recipe. In 1968, we caught a bunch of bluegills in a lake in Oklahoma. And he used those bluegills to make 酥鱼, but he did not have a YouTube or a good recipe to follow, and the result was inedible, and nobody wanted to eat it. Poor dad. So this is now 58 years later. I'm going to try the recipe again, except maybe a little different. I consulted YouTube quite a bit, and so I hope this will be edible. This is an old family photo of ours. It was taken in 1967, soon after our arrival to America. It features my dad, my mom, my younger sister, my older brother, and myself. And the location of the picture was Lake Birchie in Chickasha, Oklahoma. My dad worked as a field engineer for a mobile oil company, and my brother was wearing the safety helmet he wore at work. And the car was a 1960 Ford Fairlane 500. Here we were, counting the fish that we caught that day. As you can tell, my sister was gesturing that we caught 6, but I thought we caught more than that day. And we caught a bucketful. These were bluegills, a famous panfish of that area. And that's me, my mom, my older brother, and younger sister. And these were the famous bluegills back then. Here's a Wikipedia article on Ayu, the sweetfish, and here's a picture of it. It was once plentiful in Northwest Asia, in Korea, Japan, and parts of Taiwan, and parts of China. It went extinct in 1968 in Taiwan. Now it is reintroduced from specimens in Japan, and they were farm raised in Yilan County in Taiwan, and then exported to the U.S. That's how I was able to get the specimens. Okay, these are the ingredients I will use: oil, cooking oil, some soy sauce, dark and regular, some rice wine, some all-purpose flour, some unflavored gelatin, ginger, salt. This is Chinese spice pack. You can buy these anywhere in a Chinese store. Sugar, brown sugar, vinegar, green onion, garlic, white pepper, chicken soup, some dried chili, and in honor of my dad who used seaweed, I'm going to get some seaweed, organic seaweed. So these are the stuff I will use. I may forget any, but if I do forget, you'll see it in the following cooking process. One thing I forgot was Lee Kum Kee oyster sauce. All these you can buy from Asian market or Chinese market. They're plentiful in Southern California. Okay, I get these fish in the sink. I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and wash them. Wash the sticky mucus off using the salt. So they have been washed off with salt, and you can see the indentation on the caudal fin, indicating that they're female. So I'm going to cut these fins off and scrape the scale off using this knife, just lightly. They have very little scale. You don't even have to do that because you don't have to open the abdomen to take out the innards. So I have cut the fins off and washed them. I'm just going to use a knife, scrape the tiny scales off. Very minimal, almost none, but I'll do it anyway. I've cut the abdomen open using a knife, just a little bit, so showing the eggs inside and let the flavor get in. So here's the fish. I got the oil. Here you go. So fry them until brown. They are done frying. Now we can start cooking. Garlic. So I got scallion cut into segments, ginger, and garlic. So I got it on saute and deep in. So saute it. Throw in a cup of red pepper. Now put the fish in, like that, on top of the vegetables. Put them neatly. Okay. Forgot to mention chicken bouillon. Put some chicken bouillon in. And some soy sauce. Some Chinese rice wine. Some Kimlan soy sauce. Not soy sauce, oyster sauce. Okay, that should be enough. Some dark soy sauce for coloring, that should be enough. Now some vinegar, can't forget that, to make the bone soft. That should be enough, just a little bit. Some sugar. Some brown sugar. Some salt to taste. You can add later. It should be enough with the soy sauce. And some white pepper. That I'm going to use 1 pack. Now add water to cover the fish. In honor of my dad, put some seaweed on top, like that. And 1 spice bag right here. I'm just going to put on top. Just get enough flavor. Okay. Oh, now put for pressure cook for 1 hour. Pressure cook. Okay, that's it. Now it is done, and I'm gonna take this out. Take it out. Looks good. Now let it cool, and don't disturb it. Let it cool overnight in the refrigerator until it jellifies. Smells quite good. Let's see how. Take it out. Try not to break the fish, but okay. Time to give a taste. Has bones inside. Bones are definitely soft. Very good. With eggs. Good. Tasty. Now, I don't claim to be a 酥鱼 expert, but this is good. You don't have to use sweetfish only. I'm sure you can use pompano, small pompano, or any kind of fish. So take it as a reference. Thank you for watching.